In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Typeform 2026, step by step. Typeform is a simple and powerful tool for creating forms, surveys, quizzes, and questionnaires that feel much more interactive than traditional forms. If you're collecting feedback, generating leads, or building a registration form, Typeform makes the whole experience cleaner and more engaging for the person filling it out. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the main process clearly so you can get started with confidence. To begin, open Typeform in your browser and sign into your account. If you're new to the platform, you can create an account first and then continue into the dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look around the home area. This is where you'll manage your forms, view responses, and access templates. Next, create a new form. You'll usually see an option to start from scratch or choose a template. If you already know exactly what you want, starting from scratch gives you full control. If you want to save time, a template can help you begin with a ready-made structure that you can customize later. After opening your form, start adding questions. Typeform supports several question types, such as short text, multiple choice, email fields, ratings, and more. Choose the format that best matches the kind of information you want to collect. As you build, keep your wording clear and concise so the form stays easy to complete. A clean and simple question usually leads to better responses. Once your questions are in place, customize the design of the form. You can adjust colors, fonts, images, and the overall visual style to match your brand or the tone of your project. This part is important because appearance affects how professional and trustworthy your form feels. Try to keep the design visually appealing without making it distracting. Then review the settings for your form. This is where you can control things like response limits, notifications, and completion behavior. Depending on your goal, you may want to fine-tune these options before sharing the form. It's a good idea to check everything carefully so the form behaves exactly the way you expect.